Okay guys, Chris and Danielle from Chris Does What and DianeWithDanielle.com. We're wishing all y'all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year as we go into 2019. Yeah!
Wow, it's been a year.
So, right now Danielle's making her
juicy turkey.
Juicy
It's stuffed with stuffing.
And my job is to just pour oil and clean kitchen.
I just got all the butter
like
underneath the skin, and then got to put the oil on top. So yeah.
So we have the turkey, 20-pound turkey. We have a ham over there, and a mix.
Lots of other goodies.
Oh yeah. But right now this is for snack attack, the Mexican cheese ball. And
made that up last night.
Yeah. Recipe soon to come.
Probably.
So y'all check out DianeWithDanielle.com.
Be a great one for New Year's.
Oh yes, or game night, or just whatever. So if y'all like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, hit that like button. It's down there. Looks like that, something. We also have more videos up here if you want to go see that too. And it's up here in the corner, I think, one of these corners. And y'all please take care.